If you're traveling to the Philippines, go ahead and take a trip up to the north portion of Luzon. You'll fly from Manila to Lawag. From there, take a taxi.
How long will you stay in Lawag? How long?
4 days.
4 days. For business or vacation?
Vacation.
Oh, good. You have to visit Bigan.
Bigan?
Yeah. Bigan is coming from Lawag. You have to travel south. It's about 80 kilometers from Lawag City.
Okay, but how long is that to travel?
That will take you about 1.5 hours.
Okay.
And coming from Lawag, going to Pagudpud, a white beach, you travel about 80 kilometers also. It's about 1.5 hour drive. 1 hour 45 minutes by car.
Okay.
Nice beach we have there. If you're going to go to Pagudpud, go to Hana Beach.
Hana Beach?
Yeah, Hana.
Is that south or north?
That's north. From Lawag City is north.
Okay.
Going to Bigan is going south.
Okay.
Okay.
Hana north, Bigan south.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, as of
So we just got off the plane. There she is. After you fly into Lawag, you could go ahead and check into several different hotels that are there. One of the really nicer ones is Fort Ilocandia Resort. It's a little bit south of Lawag, and they'll actually pick you up at the airport. And they have a just beautiful, beautiful area. They've got big landscaped trees and grass, large swimming pool. They even have a little zoo. They have beach, not recommended for swimming. We took a trip, paid a taxi to drive us up on the north end of Luzon, and we went to that famous lighthouse, and then also went on over to Hana Beach. And here is pretty cool. Here you can see they're pulling in their fishing nets from the morning. You can take a zip line across that bay, and at the time that they built it, it was the longest zip line over, natural water. I'm sure they may have some longer ones nowadays, but it was fun. It was really cool to kind of go over the water like that. you'll see it a little bit. But you get suited up there at Hana Beach Resort, and then they'll drive you around to the other side of the bay, up the mountain a little bit, to the starting point of the zip line. And I don't remember exactly how much it cost, but it was inexpensive to hire a taxi for the whole day. And the resort kind of went ahead and set all that up for us and then took us out. There's some really nice places to eat along the way. Also, really get that home-cooked meal. So you've got to take the trip just north of Manila. It's like an hour flight to Lawag, and then you can, like I said, hire a driver and car and take you around from the north end of Luzon. Really pretty trip, road trip up there. We spent the whole day traveling, and I highly recommend it. And you can see we are going over the body of water, and that, I mean, just clear as can be, seen all the way down to the water. It was pretty cool, pretty fun. I'm sure you'll have a good time, so go ahead, don't forget, you're exploring the Philippines. Head on north also. See. So eventually I want to get to Baguio and see that. That's really high mountains, very tall, moist, cool air, and that. So it'll be totally different from what you think of the Philippines. And once I get up there, we'll go ahead and do a video on that, show you that. This is a little bit of the shops there in Hana Beach. The time that we went, it was not the normal season, so there wasn't anybody there. And that was kind of nice in one sense, and that. So, but if you're wanting to be around a lot of people, big scene, then go ahead and book it during the summertime when everybody's out and really all the tourists are out. They got the parties going. So, all right, have fun and see you on our next one. Bye.